Some of you may remember last year's potato experiment in the trash can. When I made my grocery list this week, I didn't put much on it, so I thought I'd be eating potatoes for days. This year I'm trying something new. I'm doing it horizontally as opposed to vertically, and the idea was to plant the potatoes 1 per square foot, and they would spread out and hopefully create a ton of potatoes. I've been waiting for them to die back and die over. We're getting pretty close. I need this real estate for my okra, so today we're gonna harvest. So let's see what we've got here. I think they're all inside of here. Let's do a little digging. How cute are these? So these are the Yukon Golds. Got several hidden in here. Oh no. That's a giant potato that didn't make it. Yuck. There's a nice one. Ooh, look at that beauty. Littles. I've got a trowel here. Oh, that rotten potato smells. Alright. We're going to pull another plant. Oh, look at that. Okay, just by pulling a couple, I've already gotten what I got last year. So we're off to a good start. I'm hopeful. Ugh, another rotten one. That makes me so sad. Well, it'll make dirt with it, compost. Okay. So that's it for right there. Some more potato vines. Ooh, there's a beauty. Nice potato there. Whoa. Looks like a rubber ducky. Even these tiny ones are good for like potato salad and stuff. Save those. There's a new potato. I thought they were nude, but they're really new. Maybe they're both. Oh, rotten potato. Nice potatoes. I'm not sure. I think the rotten ones may be the seed potatoes, because there seems to be one with every plant, but I'm not sure. That's nice. Look at this already. Beautiful. How beautiful that is. Oh, look at that. You see it? Whoa, mama. Look! Look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. These purples are dynamite. Whoa. There's a huge one. So overall, I would say success. I've got 3 varieties of potatoes in here. The new, these beautiful purple ones, and then some really good-sized Yukon Gold. This method was far more productive for me. I think if I'd let them go a little bit longer, we might have had some more big ones. As you can see, at the end of every root, there are itty-bitty potatoes on it. But again, I needed the real estate, so I took it. But really happy with this haul. Maybe 30 pounds of potatoes. Beautiful.